Do you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't like being on camera? Good news. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. In fact, some of the biggest channels earning thousands of dollars every month are faceless channels. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can start, grow, and monetize your own faceless YouTube channel in 2025. Stay with me because I'll share real examples, niche ideas, and money-making methods you can copy right away. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you want financial freedom, and subscribe for more smart money and side hustle videos. Alright, let's go. We're going to cover 1. Why faceless YouTube channels work. 2. The types of faceless channels you can start today. 3. Free and paid tools you need. 4. How to grow your channel fast. 5. How to actually make money from it. Section 1. Why faceless YouTube works. A lot of people think you need to be a celebrity or influencer to succeed on YouTube. That's false. Channels like Motivation Hub, Top 10s, Brightside, and TechZone earn millions without showing the creator's face. Viewers care about the value of your content, not your face. If your video solves a problem, entertains, or teaches something, people will watch. That's the secret. YouTube pays you for watch time, not looks. Section 2. Types of faceless channels. Let's talk about channel ideas you can start without showing your face. 1. Finance and money hacks, explaining side hustles, saving tips, investing basics. You use stock footage, simple animations, or slides. 2. Top 10 lists, for example, Top 10 travel destinations, or Top 10 richest athletes. These are evergreen. 3. Tech reviews and tutorials, screen recordings showing how to use apps, software, or new gadgets. 4. Motivation and self-improvement, voiceovers with motivational clips, stock videos, and quotes. 5. Gaming, gameplay with commentary. Your voice is enough. No camera needed. 6. Animation/whiteboard explainers, tools like Doodly, Viand, or Canva make this easy. 7. Educational channels, teach math, science, or coding with screen shares or visuals. You only need one niche. Focus on what you enjoy and where you can create consistent videos. Section 3. Tools you need. Now, what tools do you need to make faceless videos? Stock video and images, Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, or paid ones like Storyblocks. Background music, YouTube Audio Library or Epidemic Sound. Voiceovers, you can record your own voice using a simple mic, or use AI voices like 11 Labs, Muff AI, or Speechify. Editing software, free options like CapCut, iMovie, or DaVinci Resolve. Paid options like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Screen recording, OBS Studio or Loom if you're doing tutorials. These tools make production fast and simple. No need for expensive cameras or lights. Section 4. How to grow fast. Starting is easy. Growing is the challenge. Here's the formula. 1. Pick searchable topics, use YouTube search, Google Trends, or tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to see what people are looking for. 2. Strong titles and thumbnails, make your titles clear, clickable, and keyword-rich. Your thumbnail must stand out and tell a story. 3. Watch time is king, script your videos to keep viewers watching. Use curiosity loops like, wait until the end to hear the most important one. 4. Upload consistently, 3 to 4 videos per week in the first 90 days. This boosts your chance of going viral. 5. Engage with viewers, ask questions in your video. Reply to comments. YouTube loves engagement. 6. Create playlists, group your videos into topics. Playlists increase binge watching and session time. Remember, YouTube is a marathon. Most faceless channels blow up after consistent posting, not overnight. Section 5, How to Make Money. Now, the big question. How do you make money without showing your face? 1. AdSense revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you for ads. Niches like finance, tech, and business have high CPM rates. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services with your affiliate link in the description. Example, recommending an investing app or a course. 3. Sponsorships. Brands will pay you to feature their product once you grow. Even small channels land deals if the niche is right. 4. Merchandise and digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or merch related to your niche. 5. Memberships and Patreon. Offer exclusive content for monthly subscribers. Faceless channels can make thousands per month through these income streams. So, here's the truth. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. What you need is value, consistency, and smart content ideas. Start small, post regularly, and optimize your titles and thumbnails. In 3 months, you could have a monetized channel. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Dollar Decision for more side hustles, money hacks, and financial freedom tips. And tell me in the comments, what faceless YouTube niche would you like to start? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.